Single transferable vote system. This type of voting system is used in the elections of President of India, Vice President of India, Rajya Sabha elections, State Legislative Council elections. This system is also called proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and voting is done in a secret ballot. In this video, we will discuss the process of presidential elections. To elect the President of India, an Electoral College is formed. And this Electoral College is formed of all elected members of Parliament of Lok Sabha, all elected members of Rajya Sabha, and all elected members of state legislative assemblies and UTs. Only elected members, not nominated members. To take part in presidential elections, all elected MPs of Lok Sabha, all elected MPs of Rajya Sabha, and all elected MLAs of all the states and UTs take part. Because MLAs and MPs represent their respective constituencies, so we must know the value of vote of one MLA, and then we can find out the value of vote of all MLAs. And value of vote of MPs is also found by dividing the total value of vote of MLAs with the number of total elected MPs. To find out one MLA's votes, we will divide the total elected MLAs with the population of state. We will keep the population like this and total elected MLAs, and will multiply it with 1 by 1000, and we will get the value of vote of one MLA. Now we can find the value of vote of all MLAs, and then the value of vote of all MLAs is divided by the total elected MPs. Then we will get the value of vote of one MP. Now we have the value of one MP's vote, we can find out the value of vote of all MPs. So we will add value of votes of MLAs, value of vote of all MPs, and divide it by 2, and then we'll add 1 to it, and we will get the electoral quota, which is the minimum number of votes that are required for a candidate to win the presidential election. ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੋਟਸ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਤਣ ਲਈ। ਸਿੰਗਲ ਟਰਾਂਸਫਰੇਬਲ ਵੋਟਿੰਗ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਟੋਰਲ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਵੋਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ, ਦੇਅਰ ਆਰ 3 ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟਸ A, B and C. ਇਲੈਕਟੋਰਲ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ A ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਫਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ 'ਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣ ਟੂ ਵਿਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਔਰ ਟੂ ਬਿਕਮ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ, B ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਥਰਡ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ 'ਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣ, ਕੋਈ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ C ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਫਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ 'ਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣ ਔਰ A ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਥਰਡ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ 'ਤੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣ। ਸੋ each voter marks the candidate as 1, 2, 3 in order of their preference. ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Suppose there are 300 total votes. This is the value of votes of all MLAs and all MPs. Now we will find the electoral quota. Electoral quota, 300 votes are divided by 2 and plus 1. To get the absolute majority, we add 1. So we have 151 votes that are required to win to become a president. Now we have candidates A, B and C. Suppose in round 1, 130 people from 300 have preferred A as their first preference to become president, and 100 people have voted for B to become the president as their first preference, and only 70 people have voted for C to become president as their first preference. So 130 people the first preference A है to become president, 100 people the first preference B है to become the president, and only 70 people ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ C ਨੂੰ president ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। because C has got the least number of votes, so C ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ eliminate ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ. So now we only have A and B. So in round 2 C is eliminated. So जो C ਦੀਆਂ 70 votes ने they will be distributed in A and B. Now people will again vote and tell ਕਿੰਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ A ਆ ਟੂ ਬਿਕਮ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ B ਆ ਟੂ ਬਿਕਮ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ. If A gets 151 votes or more than 151, then A will become the winner because A have crossed the quota. ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ 3 ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟਸ ਦੀ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ, A, B ਔਰ C, but there can be as many candidates as can fill the conditions of legal conditions to become the president or to take part in presidential elections. We have discussed the condition that who can take part in the presidential election in my previous video, so you can check the previous video. If you like my video and find this video informative, please subscribe to my channel and comment below if you want notes in the PDF format. Thank you so much.